There's nothing quite like a handmade gift. It's a true expression of love and care. Today we're making a glowing lamp. This project is easy and fun. Plus, it's a unique gift that anyone would adore. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our materials. Crafting is all about creativity, and having the right supplies at hand can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's take a moment to ensure we have everything we need. You might already have most of these around your home. Look through your drawers, closets, and storage spaces. You'd be surprised at what you can find that can be repurposed for crafting. Old buttons, fabric scraps, and even leftover wrapping paper can be incredibly useful. A clean glass jar or bottle, size and shape are up to you. These jars will serve as the base for our project. Make sure they are thoroughly cleaned and dried. You can use jars from pasta sauce, pickles, or even mason jars if you have them. LED fairy lights. Battery-operated are easiest. These lights will add a magical touch to our project. They come in various colors and lengths, so choose the ones that best fit your vision. Battery-operated lights are convenient because they don't require a power source, making your craft more versatile. Decorations. Think tissue paper, paint, twine, ribbon, anything goes. Scissors. Glue. Clear drying is best. The decorations are where you can really let your creativity shine. Mix and match different materials to create a unique look. Clear drying glue is ideal because it won't leave any unsightly marks on your finished project. Optional frosted glass spray paint. This can give your jar a beautiful frosted look, adding an extra layer of elegance. It's easy to apply and dries quickly. If you don't have frosted glass spray paint, you can also use regular spray paint or even acrylic paint to achieve a similar effect. Once you have all your supplies gathered, lay them out neatly on your workspace. This will make it easier to see everything you have and plan your project. A well-organized workspace can make the crafting process more enjoyable and efficient. Now that we have everything we need, take a moment to get excited about the project ahead. Crafting is not just about the end result, but also about enjoying the process. So, let's dive in and start creating something beautiful. Now comes the fun part, creating your lamp. Follow these simple steps. First, make sure your jar or bottle is clean and dry. This is our blank canvas. You can leave it as is, or give it a personal touch with some paint. Adding your personal flair. Here's where you can really get creative. Cut shapes from tissue paper and glue them on for a stained glass effect. Use frosted glass spray paint for a soft, diffused glow. Or simply wrap some twine around the jar for a rustic look. Let there be light. Carefully insert your LED fairy lights into the jar. Arrange them how you like. Make sure the battery pack is accessible for easy switching on and off. The finishing touches. To complete your masterpiece, decorate the lid or the top of the jar. Wrap twine or ribbon around it. You can even add a personalized tag or charm. Shine bright. Take your finished lamp into a dim room and switch it on. Enjoy the warm, magical glow. Unleash your inner artist. Have you ever felt the urge to create something truly unique, something that reflects your personality and style? This is your chance to dive into the world of DIY and craft a glowing lamp that not only illuminates your space but also showcases your artistic flair. This project is all about letting your creativity shine. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a lamp that you designed and created with your own hands, lighting up your room. It's not just about the end product, but the joy and fulfillment you get from the process of making it. Here are a few themes to inspire you. Whether you're a nature lover, a stargazer, a fan of rustic charm, or someone who loves fairy tales, there's a theme here that will spark your imagination and get your creative juices flowing. Nature. Use leaves, twigs, and pressed flowers for a woodland feel. Imagine a lamp that brings the serenity and beauty of the forest into your home. The natural elements will not only add a touch of the outdoors to your space, but also create a calming and peaceful ambiance. Galaxy. Create a cosmic masterpiece with dark paint, glitter, and star stickers. Picture a lamp that transports you to the vastness of space every time you turn it on. The shimmering stars and deep, dark colors will make your room feel like a portal to another galaxy. Rustic farmhouse. Embrace the charm of the countryside with burlap, twine, and distressed finishes. A lamp with this theme will bring a warm, cozy, and inviting feel to your home. the rustic elements will add a touch of vintage charm and make your space feel more homely and comfortable. Fairy tale. Let your imagination soar with glitter, whimsical cutouts, and iridescent accents. Think of a lamp that looks like it came straight out of a storybook, with magical elements that make your room feel enchanted. The whimsical design will add a touch of fantasy and wonder to your space. The beauty of DIY projects is that there are no rules. You can mix and match themes, experiment with different materials, and let your creativity run wild. The goal is to create something that you love and that reflects your unique style. So, gather your materials, set up your workspace, and get ready to unleash your inner artist. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this project is a fun and rewarding way to express yourself and create something beautiful. Happy crafting! A gift to treasure. You did it! You've taken the time to create something truly special, something that reflects your creativity and dedication. This glowing lamp isn't just an ordinary object. It's a testament to your hard work and passion. Every detail, every little touch, speaks volumes about the effort you put into making it. You've created a one-of-a-kind glowing lamp. This lamp is unique, just like you. It stands out because it carries your personal touch, your unique style. When you look at it, you see more than just a lamp. You see a piece of art, a piece of yourself. The glow it emits is not just light, it's a reflection of your creativity and imagination. This isn't just a gift, it's a piece of your heart. When you give this lamp to someone, you're not just giving them a beautiful object, you're giving them a part of yourself. It's a symbol of your love, your care, and your thoughtfulness. The recipient will feel the warmth and affection that went into creating it, making it a gift they will treasure forever. The time and effort you put into it will make it even more special. Every moment you spent working on this lamp, every challenge you overcame adds to its value. It's not just about the final product, it's about the journey you took to create it. The late nights, the careful planning, the meticulous crafting, all of it contributes to the story behind this lamp. So go ahead, share your creation and spread some joy. When you give this lamp to someone, you're not just giving them a gift, you're sharing a piece of your journey, your creativity, and your heart. It's a gesture that will light up their life, just as the lamp lights up a room. Your handmade lamp is more than just a present. It's a beacon of your love and effort. So, let it shine and bring happiness to those around you. In this chapter, we'll explore some advanced techniques to make your glowing lamp even more unique. First, let's talk about incorporating different materials into your design. Adding elements like stained glass, colored beads, or even textured fabrics can give your lamp a distinctive look. Experiment with various combinations to see what resonates with your artistic vision. Unleash your creativity and make your lamp a masterpiece that will be cherished for years to come. Stay creative and happy crafting. Now that you've mastered advanced techniques to make your glowing lamp truly unique, let's ensure your project turns out perfect every time by avoiding some common mistakes. First, be mindful of your material choices. Using incompatible materials can result in a lamp that doesn't hold up over time. Always verify that your materials are durable and suitable for your design. Second, don't rush the assembly process. Take your time to ensure each part of your lamp is securely attached. By keeping these common mistakes in mind, you'll create a glowing lamp that is not only beautiful but also functional and safe. Happy crafting, and may your lamp shine brightly.